creating recipes, meals, and foods in MyFitnessPal. So what you're gonna do, click on the more. Then you're gonna click My Meals, Recipes, and Foods. This is where you can see all of your different recipes. Meals, which would be, for example, like putting things together like a scramble or a bowl. And foods, lots of times I program in my meal prep that I get from Eat Clean Phoenix or Nature's Purpose in here, so I can just easily click onto it. So if you want to create a recipe, you're going to click recipes and click down below where it says create a recipe. Enter the ingredients manually. So you'll name that recipe whatever you're making and include the serving size. So you want to make sure this is accurate. Anytime I make, a chicken pasta, I usually do it for 4 servings for 4 lunches during the week. Then you'll click next and you're going to input all of the ingredients that you add. So I usually do organic chicken from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to search that exact one and find where it is, make sure it's the right one. I'm going to add Trader Joe's to make sure it's the exact one and click the organic chicken breast. I use 5 ounces in this recipe, so I'm changing up where it says number of servings and the serving size to make sure it reflects accurately. Don't just click the first thing it has because you want to make sure you're doing what you measured for. Next, I'm going to add in my pasta I do. So I use the Bonza Rotini, again, making sure it's the exact one that I use. There's going to be 2 servings of the 2-ounce serving in this recipe. So again, I make sure to change the serving size and the number of servings. From there, just click the next arrow. It's going to divide out the amount of calories, fat, carbs, and protein based on 4 servings of everything included. So it's an easy way to track your macros.